Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language on the Netflix application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the edit button that you can see in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the account that you want to use. Then scroll down till you find the display language section. Tap on it, and now you can change the language of your account. Tap on the relevant one and then go back by this button. Then tap on the button done that you can see in the upper right corner of the screen. So now the language of the application has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.